VOA Learning English. This is the technology report. Researchers in Hungary have now confirmed what many dog owners already knew. Dogs or canines can understand our feelings. Scientists use the magnetic resonance imaging or MRI to learn about dog emotions. The research showed that they are similar to the emotions of human beings, and MRI uses magnetic fields to produce images of the inside of the body. MRIs are painless and do not require the patient to be cut open. However, the patient must remain still, and the patient must be awake to record brain activity. In the past, dogs have not been good MRI patients. They are not usually calm in the laboratory, but researchers at Hungary's ELTE University petted the animals and gave them footage. As a result, the scientists were able to capture images of the dogs' brains. Researchers trained 11 dogs to stay completely still while images were taken of their brains. The researchers tested the dogs' reactions to about 200 emotional sounds, including crying, playful barking, and laughing. Then they compared the dog reactions with reactions from humans. The researchers discovered that the reactions were similar. These findings are not just important to dogs and the people who love them. The researchers say this study establishes a new kind of comparative brain science. They say it was not possible to measure the brain activity of a non-primate and a primate in a single experiment until now. The Hungarian scientists say the study has a message for ordinary dog owners too. Treat your dogs as real friends. Now there is scientific proof that they do in fact understand what you are feeling. For VOA Learning English, I'm Alex Valeria.